Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is Ceejaybrand and we are back. We back once again today with a brand new tech video for you guys. Today we're going to be taking a look at these Ghostek wireless sunglasses shades. I don't know why I just call them wireless sunglasses shades, but we got some new glasses for you guys today. You know, for those people that ain't really, interested in putting earbuds on or even headphones on, these shades is going to take care of your issues. Trust me, it really is. Just imagine you walking outside, man. You got the sun in your face, you got your earbuds on, but you can't put your sunglasses on because your earbuds got that fat round tip on it. Well, Ghostek came up with a product where you can eliminate both, basically. They got the headphones built into the sunglasses for us today, and I cannot wait to test this product out. But let's go to get straight into the video, straight after this. So we are back in right now. Now I ain't gonna lie to you, I already opened this box up. I was very curious to figure out, how these shades really work, connected them and testing them out, man. I just wanted to get, like a further explanation of what I'm actually getting into before I actually display my product to my audience, So this is the case that it came with. I forgot, we got that amazing eye detection on this Canon R5, baby. You already know how it is. But anyway, man, this is the case that it's gonna come with, and this is a box that we do get for this amazing product right here from Ghostek, man. Big shout out to them. Thank you so much, you guys, for sending this product over to me. I ain't gonna lie, this is a hell of a product and I really like it. So once you guys open the case, you do have a few items inside of here. First thing that I noticed that we do have is going to be a this is a microfiber wipe, to go to wipe them lenses off and everything, to keep the dirt away, keep the dust away, so you can see. And then we have a 2-pin point charger. Instead of using like, a USB-C or, the normal USB charger that we normally get in Android products, we got this 2-pin point instead. So, look, let me show y'all right quick. Come on, baby, go ahead and focus for me. Show me something. What you see in my eyes? I'm like, what the hell? But yeah, man, we got this, this little charger right here. So, I mean, that's pretty dope. And then we also have some nose cups, just in case if the ones that are currently on the glasses are not comfortable for you, you can go ahead and replace these, put them on and it should be comfortable for you. But then we got 3 little cards in here, welcome and thank you cards, which is pretty dope for them to put in there. And the good thing about it, everything is in here is black and it's all, ghosted out. So that's pretty dope. And then we got another microfiber wiper. This is a big one. So, this isn't bad either. I'm happy they put both of them, 2 of them up in here. And then the glasses itself. These glasses are dope. I'm not going to lie to you, man. Like when I first put them on, I was like, ooh, I don't know how I'm going to feel about them. But I put them on, turned some music on, went outside with them. Hell of a product, man. So let's go and show y'all how to work these things right now, baby. First things first, all you gotta do is do this. Shades. And you're gonna get something to say. Shades are pairing. And you just put them right on your face, baby. Now you can't see nothing at all. But now you can see everything you want to see. Now the headphones are already connected to my phone. So next thing, all I gotta do is go ahead and go to my phone. Let's go and play us a song. Looks like I was listening to Ice Spice earlier, so yeah. It's pretty dope, man. I like these. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like I said, it takes away everything. I need to change the nose tip stuff because my nose is big as hell. But yeah.
Stop saying it, I'm right. Like, put us back. This whole work say no, I got bands. You say I not give a damn and I'm still getting money, I know who I am.
So yeah, man, these are the glasses right here, man. Like I said, the sound quality on them are not bad at all. It's not too loud and it's not too low. It's a perfectly balanced volume for you, especially if you're like a solo walker, a solo runner, and doing anything outside. These glasses are pretty low key where, you put them on, you're gonna stay undetected, listen to your music, and you can still hear your surroundings around you. Like they got the Apple AirPods Pro 2s, they got the noise cancellation in them, and it's like, the noise cancellation is perfect, but it's like, ooh, I wish I could hear this a little bit more outside, or, I don't know. It's weird. With these, you can hear your surroundings and it's perfect. You won't be scared or anything. You good. You straight good. Now, these headphones are shades, I should say. They will run you just $99. The battery life on here is perfect. I ain't gonna lie to you. These right here last for 3.5 hours when you are talking on the phone, and then you can get 5.5 hours while you listen to music. and the standby time, y'all, is 120 hours. So it's not that bad for shades. And even if they do die, guess what? You still got you an awesome pair of glasses. So you can't say that it's a win-loss, because to me it's a win-win. You got shades and you got headphones in one. So if the headphone portion die, you still got shades. The shades don't turn off, player. The shades do not turn off. Now let's talk. Let's say, for instance, man, if you are somebody that is, you know, into sports and you're running and jogging, like I was saying, these right here are rated IPX5 water resistant. So therefore, you know, if you're doing all that sweating and stuff, you know, the sweat won't drizzle down in the you know, in these little electronics or anything. You're good. These headphones are great. They're built for that. They're built for people that want to go outside and, you know, run, jog, and do all type of crazy things with them, man. It's pretty dope, man. These are some great premium headphone speakers. I mean, I love them. I'm not even gonna call them headphones. Over the ear speakers, I shall say. Sunglasses, man. Me personally, I recommend them. I'm not lying to you guys at all. This is truly my first time really reacting to them. Like I said, I already unboxed them and listened to them, but you know, I just did like, let me test out the sound, man. So this is truly my first review of them, and I ain't gonna lie, Ghostek did a thing with them. They got some other companies out here that cost probably twice or 3 times, you know, the amount for this product. $100, bro. And you get 20% off right now on the website if you go visit. Check it out, man. But anyway, you guys, that's all we got for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.